During an online class, you may be required to join a breakout group away from the main meeting. To do this, you don't have to leave the main meeting. The first step to joining a breakout group is to click on the Teams app in the app bar. If the team for your class doesn't automatically appear, navigate to it. In your team, a channel will have been created for your group. Click on the channel for your group. In the channel, you can start a conversation, create and edit files for a group project, and start a brand new meeting. To start a new meeting, one of your group needs to click the Meet button in the top right of the canvas and start a new meeting. That person will see a meeting window appear in which they can change the title of the meeting and then click Meet Now to start it. Make sure only one person in your group does this, otherwise multiple meetings will be created. Everyone else in the group can then join the meeting using the Join button that appears. When you're in the meeting, you can go back to the main meeting at any time. In the top left of your breakout meeting, you'll see a little grey rectangle. On here, you'll see the name of the original meeting and the word Hold. You'll also see a play button and a hang up button. Clicking the play button will take you back to the main meeting.